For 1 by 2 years, a certain sum of money was compounded half-yearly at the rate of 24%. If the difference between SI and CI is rupees 808.704, then find the principal amount. It is asked to find out the principal amount. For that, first we have to find the difference between the simple interest and compound interest.
Let us find the interest.
Let P be 100. I1 equals 12% of 100. Gives I1 is 12. I2 equals 12 plus 12 plus 12% of 12. Gives I2 is 25.44. I3 equals 12 plus 25.44 plus 12% of 25.44. Gives I3 is 40.4928. To find the simple interest, let P be 100. SI equals 100 into 3 into 24, on the whole divided by 2 into 100, gives 36, as simple interest. Subtracting the simple interest and compound interest, we get difference is 4.4928. If 4.4928 gives 808.704, then 100 gives what? On doing cross multiplication, we get 808.704 into 100, divided by 4.4928, gives 18,000. Therefore, the required principal amount is rupees 18,000.
A man invested some amount of money for time period 2 years, at certain rate of interest, and its compound interest is rupees 6,090. For 3 years, he again invested the same amount at the same rate, and its simple interest is rupees 9,000. Find the principal amount. Given CI equals 6,090, N equals 2 years. For first year, CI and SI is 3,000. CI for second year is 3,090. If 3,000 gives 90, then 100 gives 3%. 9,000 by 3 gives 3,000. Now we have to find the principal amount. That is, if 3 gives 3,000, then 100 gives 1 lakh. Therefore, the principal amount is rupees 1 lakh. For 2 years, rupees 8,000 was invested at 3% per annum simple interest and rupees 16,000 at the rate of 8% per annum compound interest for the same time period. Find the total interest he earned at the end of 2 years. To find the total interest, first we have to find the simple interest and the compound interest. Given P1 equals 8,000, N equals 2 years, R1 equals 3%. If 100 gives 8,000, then 6 gives what? Here no need to do cross multiplication. If we multiply 80 to 100, we get 8,000. Similarly, if we multiply 80 to 6, we get 480 as SI. Given P2 equals 16,000, N equals 2 years, R2 equals 5%. Now we have to find the compound interest. Given P equals 16,000. I1 equals 5% of 16,000. Gives I1 is 800. I2 equals 800 plus 5% of 800. Gives I2 is 1640. Total interest equals sum of simple interest and compound interest. That is 480 plus 1640. Gives total interest is 2,120. Therefore, total interest is rupees 2,120. In a bank, rupees 15,600 was invested by a person for 3 years at the rate of 6% simple interest. After 3 years, he again invests the principal amount together with the interest earned in another bank, which earns him compound interest at 10% per annum. Find the total interest at the end of 5 years. Given P1 equals 15,600, N1 equals 3 years, R1 equals 6%. First, let us find the total amount. If 100 gives 15,600, then 118 gives what? Cross multiplying both sides, we get 15,600 into 118, divided by 100, gives total amount is 18,408. P2 equals 18,408, N2 equals 2 years, R2 equals 10%. Here we have to find the compound interest for 2 years. I1 equals 10% of 18,408. Gives I1 as 1,840.8. I2 equals 1,840.8 plus 1,840.8 plus 10% of 1,840.8.
gives I2 is 3865.68. Therefore, the interest at the end of 5 years is rupees 3865.68.